This is Pawan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Yeah, last session we discussed the first order ordinary differential equation in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. In that form, we discussed the variable separable method, homogeneous method, non-homogeneous methods, exact differential equation form and non-exact differential equation form. Here these are all in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Here now we will discuss the first order first degree differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Here that is a linear differential equation. A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable y is then its differential coefficients occurs only in the first degree or not in multiple together, and the linear differential equation of the first order is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, where p and q are the constant or functions of x alone. Here it's this is in the form of, in this form is there, its integrating factor is e power integral of p of x dx. The solution of the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q of x into integrating factor of dx plus c. We have to integrate it, we are getting the solution of the linear differential equation. Here linear differential equation in x in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y, where p and q are the functions of y alone or constant. Now it is integrating factor is e power integral of p of y dy. The solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integrate q of y into integrating factor dy plus c. Here the applications of the linear differential equation is 1 plus x dy by dx minus x into y is equal to 1 minus x. First we have to convert it into the in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Here now we have to dividing on both sides by 1 plus x. Here that is dy by dx minus x by 1 plus x into y is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. It is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Here p is equal to minus x by 1 plus x, q is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Its integrating factor is e power integral of p of x into dx is equal to e power integral of 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. Here we have to simplify it. Integration of p dx is equal to minus x plus log of 1 plus x. We have to convert it into e power integral of p of x dx is equal to e power integral of e power minus x plus log of 1 plus x. We have to simplify it. We are getting the integrating factor 1 plus x into e power minus x. Here now the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into 1 plus x e power minus x is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x, 1 plus x e power minus x dx plus c. Here 1 plus x cancel. Here that is y of 1 plus x e power minus x integration of 1 minus x e power minus x dx. You have to simplify this integration factor by using the integration of uv dx formula. Yeah, that is integration of uv dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration of u dash integration of v dx whole dx. Yeah, you have to put it in this formula. We are simplify it. We are getting the y of 1 plus x e power minus x is equal to x into e power minus x plus c. Yeah, this is the solution of the given differential equation. The given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Yeah, solve the differential equation x into dy by dx plus plus 2y is equal to x square log x. We are dividing on both sides by x, dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to x log x. It is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Here p is equal to by x, q is equal to x log x. Integration of p dx is equal to 2 into integration of 1 by x dx is equal to 2 log x. Here now we have to find the integrating factor, that is equal to e power integration of p dx, that is equal to e power 2 log x. Here that is equal to, this can be written as e power log of x square to the base e, that is equal to x square. The solution is y into integrating factor integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. That is equal to y into x square is equal to integration of x cube log x dx. The log x integration of x cube dx minus integration of log x integration of x cube dx. The log x to the power of 4 by 4 minus derivative of log x is 1 by x to the power of 4 by 4. X cancel. Here again integration of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4. Here after simplification we are getting the solution 16x square y is equal to 4x to the power of 4 log x minus x to the power of 4 plus c. Cos cube x dy by dx plus y cos x is equal to sin x. First we have to convert in the form of dy by dx plus y cos x by cos cube x is equal to sin x by cos x cos square x. Here dy by dx plus y by cos square x is equal to tan x secant square x. Here y is equal to 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x, q is equal to tan x secant square x. Integration of p dx is equal to secant square x dx is equal to integration of secant square x is tan x. Here integration of p dx is tan x e power tan x. Here is the integrating factor. The solution is the y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Here that is equal to y into e power tan x is equal to tan x into secant square x into e power tan x dx plus c. Here y into e power tan x is equal to tan x secant square x e power tan x plus c. Tan x is equal to t is equal to t. Here tan x is equal to t, we have to integrating on both sides. We are secant square x dx is equal to t. Y into e power t is equal to integration of t e power t dt. Here we have to apply the UV rule. You have t into integration of e power t minus integration of 1 into integration of e power t dt is equal to e power t. We are getting this result. Here that is t e power t minus integration of e power t dt. Here that is equal to y e power t e power t minus e power t plus c. Here in the place of t we have to substitute tan x. We are getting the solution y plus 1 is equal to tan x plus c by e power tan x. Here this is the solution of the given linear differential equation. Here dy by dx is equal to sin square x by 1 plus x cube minus 3x square by 1 plus x cube y. We have to convert into in the form of dy by dx plus 3x square by 1 plus x cube into y is equal to sin square x by 1 plus x cube. Here that is in the form of p is equal to 3x square by 1 plus x cube, q is equal to sin square x by 1 plus x cube. Here integration of p dx is equal to integration of 3x square 1 plus x cube dx. Here by this is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equal to f of x log f of x, that is equal to your log 1 plus x cube. Here integrating factor is e power integration of integration of p dx is equal to e power log to the base e 1 plus x cube is equal to 1 plus x cube. Here the solution of this linear differential equation is y into 1 plus x cube is equal to integration of sin square x by 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x cube dx. Integration of sin square x dx is equal to, you are using the trigonometric formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Yeah, that is equal to 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c. Yeah, the solution is y into 1 plus x cube is equal to 1 by 2x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Yeah. X, next application is x plus 2y cube dy by dx is equal to y. X plus 2y cube dy by dx is equal to y. Dy by dx is equal to y by x plus 2y cube. Here this is not in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Yeah, now we have to convert it into dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. That is, you have to reverse, we have to write it in reverse direction. Yeah, that is x by 2y cube by y is equal to dx by dy. Yeah, dx by dy is equal to x by y plus 2y cube, 2y square. Yeah, that is dx by dy minus x by y is equal to y square. Yeah, p is equal to minus 1 by y. Yeah, integration of p dy is equal to integration of minus 1 by y dy is equal to minus log y. Integrating factor is e power integration of p dy. Yeah, that is equal to e power minus log y to the base e is equal to e power y power minus 1 is equal to 1 by y. The solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. Yeah, that is x by y is equal to integration of 2y square into 1 by y dy plus c. Yeah, that is equal to y square. Integration of y is y square by 2. Here 2 to cancel plus c. Here that is x by y is equal to y square plus c. Here x is equal to y cube plus yc. Yeah, next application is 2x minus 10y is cube dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Here 2x minus 10y cube dy by dx is equal to minus y. Here dy by dx is equal to minus y by 2x minus 10y cube. Here dx by dy is equal to 2x minus 10y cube by minus y. Here dx by dy plus 2x by y is equal to 10y square. Here p is equal to 2 by y. Integration of p dx is equal to 2 into integration of 1 by y dy is equal to 2 log y. Integrating factor is e power integration of p dx p dy is equal to e power log y square is equal to y square. The solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. The solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. xy square is equal to 10y square y square dy plus c. xy square 10 into y to the power of 5 by 5 plus c. xy square 2y to the power of 5 plus c. X plus tan y dy is equal to sin 2y dx. Here dx by dy is equal to x plus tan y by sin 2y. Here dx by dy minus x by sin 2y is equal to tan y by sin 2y. Here p is equal to minus 1 by sin 2y. Q is equal to sin y by cos y into 1 by 2 sin y cos y by using the trigonometric formula is equal to 1 by 2 cos square y. Yeah, that is equal to integration of p dy is equal to minus integration of 1 by sin 2y is equal to minus integration of cosecant 2y equal to minus 1 by 2 log integration formula of cosecant y is dy is equal to minus 1 by 2 log tan 2y by 2 plus c. So minus 1 by 2 log tan y tan 2y by 2. This is something wrong. Yeah, this is the linear differential equation of first order first degree. Here suppose the given differential equation is non-linear form. Yeah, non-linear form is the multiples of y is there. Yeah, y square, y cube, y to the power of n is there. we will discuss in the next session.